Hello everyone, it's John. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're giving you an in-depth tour of our Infinite Ocean View stateroom aboard the brand new MSC World America. This is cabin 12081, located on deck 12, and we'll be showing you everything from layout and storage to the unique ocean view window that sets this room apart. If you're considering booking this cabin, stick around. We've got all the details you'll want to see.
Well, welcome to 12081. Let's go. Come on in. Come on in. So as you come in to the front area, you're going to be greeted with 3 nice little hooks where you can place hats, bags, all the things that you have coming in. You do have a nice little control panel here. I haven't quite figured out, this one's air, this one's lights. Apparently you can do like certain lighting on there. This is for your steward, and then this is to lock. So you do have a child lock, and well, I'll talk to you about that one later. And then you do have to put your key card in so you can have lights in, regular light, and then there's this nice body mirror. You know, MSC just does it right with the mirrors. As we keep on coming in, you're greeted with a nice little vanity area. So for all the ladies, here's a nice place to get ready. And in the drawer here is gonna be your hair dryer. There it is. Look at, beautiful, great. And then you do have a little nice vanity mirror. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, however you prefer. There are plugs here on this side, so they are universal plugs. There's no regular plugs to plug in like your curling iron and stuff, so make sure you bring an adapter. And then in here is your closet. So you have your open shelves and then your closed shelves. All of these are soft close, so you don't have to worry about the slamming. Oh, I forgot, your safe is here too, you know, safety, those things. And then the other side is the other side of the wardrobe. Nice little area to put some of your shoes and things, but ladies, you know, all the room for the dresses, all the room. And then as we turn around, here is our nice bed. It's quite comfortable. There is a luggage mat on here, nice little beach towels, and a nice ginormous mirror in front. So you can check all the things that you need to check. On the sides of the beds, you do have USB-C chargers. And then these do move around. So you have reading lights on the sides. Very nice, very nice. And there is also, so you can turn the lights on and turn the lights off. From there, you come into your living space. There is a nice couch here. This couch does pull out into a bed, if you didn't know, so it does sleep more people. And then you have all of your areas here. So your nice TV. TV does move, so you're able to watch it from your bed. And we are Aria guests, so they gave us nice little room diffusers. They gave us a bottle of Prosecco, and then y'all, this right here, dark chocolate. That's the reason. This is the whole reason to have the Aria guest experience. But as you see below here, you'll have your mini bar. It is stocked, but it does look like you can put some of your own items in there. So if you need it, it's there. And then on the other side of it, you have more shelf space. If you didn't think you had enough storage, it just keeps on going. And then your nice little tabletop area, there is a wireless charger here, so you can charge items. And your little stool, it comes out, so you have a nice little desk area. If you want to pull that over to your couch and eat and do all the things you can, push it back in so it's not in the way. Another drawer, and then all of these shelves here, like they really thought about all of these items. And then you have more plugs here, your European plugs, your charging cables. And I didn't tell you what type of room we have. We have an infinite balcony. So, I mean, infinite ocean view. So let me just show you what that means. Look at this. Now, this just isn't it. Like, this is, yeah, this is all glass. But there's a nice little button on the side that brings this glass down. And so we have our infinite ocean view where the glass comes down. Now your AC does go off, but that's okay. That's okay. It's all about the experience, right? That's what we need, is the experience. And now your room is a balcony. Like, who would have thought? and then it just nicely goes up as you push this side button. So very, very nice. And now the last thing that we have is the bathroom. So I think we need to go check out the bathroom and you know, do the test, because we all need to know, does the toilet work? Do you think the toilet works? If you think the toilet works, comment down below. Let me know. Still just waiting for this to close. Just waiting. That's all we're waiting for. It's closed. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. Come on. So, as we enter the bathroom, we do have a glass shower door. I almost said curtain. We don't have a curtain. Nobody wants a curtain. But there's a nice little seat inside here. And so if you need to, you know, ladies, put your leg up, all the things, it's there. So you have a nice area. It does come with shower gel and shampoo. There's a line in here. There's a toilet here. Does the toilet work? Let's see. Let's see if you were right. I'd say that works. I'd say that works. Nice little vanity area, all the shelves that you need. And then down below, there is your trash can on the inside. So everything's hidden, everything's nicely tucked away. Standard bathroom for a cruise ship, but a nice bathroom at that. So this is our room, 12081. Welcome to it. It's an infinite ocean view, and we're about to have infinite great times on here.